Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. As you can see here, we are going back with our IDW13 Smartwatch. Okay, so this is a user request, and we are going to check on one of its smart features of the smartwatch, that is the music control function. Okay, so we'll have a demo of this feature. Okay, we will see if the function works with this music player on our smartphone, Spotify, YouTube Music, TikTok, and other applications. Okay, or other entertainment applications. So if you have any questions regarding this video demo, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start. Let's check on the settings for our smartwatch. Let's go first with our application, Very Fit app. Okay, let's see if we do have some settings that we have to set. Okay, so we still have to adjust first. Okay, let's set this first as is. Okay, next step later. Okay, skip. We don't have an Alexa device here. Okay, so we have here the IDW13 music control. Let's activate it. Okay, there's an upgrade. Later on, we'll upgrade it or update our application or the smartwatch. Okay, later. Then let's activate music control. Set. Okay, so notification access, allow. Okay, go back. Very Fit, music control, yes. Okay, off. So let's see more settings, enabled, and that's it. I think this is the only settings for our music control function, this one. Okay, name of the song, so the name of the song will show, I guess, and music control. I guess that's it. Okay, so let's try. Okay, our music player here. Can we access it here? No. Let's go to the main menu. We have the music control function here. I guess it's already here. As you can see, we have the title. Okay, let's see. Play. Does it work? No, you have to play it first, I guess. Here on our smartwatch or smartphone. That's it. Adjust volume. That's it. Then next. Stop. Play. Next. Stop. Next. Go back. As you can see, it also changes here on our smartphone. Stop. Okay, so the music player here, the Bluetooth music player, works with our music player on the smartphone. Let's go with this popular music application, Spotify. Okay, so let's select a song here recently played. Dismiss. Let's wait. Okay, let's go back to our music player. Did it change? No, not yet. How about we play the music here? Okay, stop. As you can see here, the title here changed to When I Was Your Man. Okay, next. Stay with me. Next. Stop. Next. Okay, next. Stop. Go back. Stop. Go back. Go back. Okay. So it seems like it did stop in the treasure song. Okay. Let's see if we can go forward. Stop. Go back. We cannot go back as you can see here. But we can go forward. Stop. Go back. Yes, there are some issues with the control here when it comes to going back to the previous song. But you can go forward as you can see here. Stop. Can stop the song. Okay, play it. Go forward, but seems like there's an issue with going back. Okay. Okay, so that's it for our Spotify music player. Okay. So issues with going to the previous song. Okay, how about the YouTube music player or video streaming platform? Let's check. Okay, music. How about this one? Let's see. So we still have an ads. Skip. Go forward. Lock out of heaven. No, it did not work. Okay, does it work? Go back. Next. Yes, it changes here, but the title did not change here on our player, as you can see here. Okay, Cocomelon. Play. So there are some issues going back. You can go back and go forward. Okay. But the title here on the Bluetooth music menu or control UI did not change. Stop. Okay, so I guess we have some issues with the YouTube application. How about the YouTube music? Hopefully with this one it works. You raise me up. Change. Okay, did not. Let's check. Let's load it again. Okay, maybe we're just running out of memory. No, did not. Okay, lock out of heaven. Okay, I guess we have to remove this one. Clear. Okay, let's see. Then load it again. Still lock out of heaven here. Okay. Okay, that's it. Guess it will work if you remove the first application or the previous application. Okay, as you can see here, it changes. Next. So you really have to remove first or close, the first video. Okay, so that there will be no issues. Go back. Yes, it works as you can see here. Okay, the title change. And again, yes, that's it. There's some delay, but there's no problem with that. Okay, it works. So it works okay with the YouTube. Okay, just remove or just close the application, the first application properly. Again, let's go with the Spotify. Approval, yes. Next. Going back. Let's see. Stop. 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 Okay, there are still issues with the Spotify. With the YouTube music, it works. As you can see here, did not change. So I guess we have to remove this first. Okay, clear the memory. Then it's okay now. Okay, no issues with the YouTube music player. Next, TikTok. Let's see. TikTok music. No, did not work. Let's clear. Everything's okay, I think. Next, let's see. No. Yep, it's not working with the TikTok. Okay. Short video platform. No, it's not working. Okay. Okay, Pocket FM, let's see. Where's our music control here? Okay, the reunion. Unknown. Play. No. It's not working. Does it work?
Chairman, I'm sorry. We will return to our desks immediately. Lily's co-worker apologized. Feeling over.
You can stop and play, but it will not go forward. Okay.
Sitting down at her desk, Lily started sobbing as she thought to herself.
Stop. How about this one?
Lily
Who's
was
the
still in
boss?
shock after being nominated.
Yes, you can stop and play,
Jason to represent the
but you cannot go forward to the next video or next podcast.
with Williams Media.
Okay, that's it for our IDW13 music control function. So it works with a music player on your phone. Spotify, there are some issues with going to the previous music. YouTube works okay, as well as YouTube music. It will not work with TikTok. Pocket FM, you can only play and pause. Okay, so if you have any questions regarding the music control function of the IDW13 smartwatch, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your questions. We do have that time. Bye.